Hello viewer, if you face Messenger messages not showing in your Messenger app, let's see how to fix Messenger message disappearing problem. Step 1. Open your phone setting. Scroll down and find out Apps. Tap on Apps. Now search Messenger app. Go to Messenger app. Scroll down and click on Storage. From the lower right corner, clear cache data from Messenger app. Now go back to your home screen and follow the second step. Open Google Play Store. Tap on search icon. Now search Messenger app. From Play Store, update your Messenger app. After complete the Messenger update process, then open your Messenger app. Tap on Messenger menu. Go to Messenger setting. Scroll down and find out Report technical problem. Tap on Report anywhere. Don't include. From this page, select Chat option. Then in this box, Hi Messenger support team, some Messenger messages not showing in my chat, it completely disappeared. So please solve this issue as soon as possible. Then send your report to the Messenger support team. After follow all these 3 steps, your Messenger messages not showing problem will be solved.